Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to highlight in Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now to highlight in Facebook, you need to know a thing, that is either you will be highlighting something on your post so that it can be seen by everybody, or you will be highlighting a comment on anybody's post or your post, depending upon your criteria. So let's go. So in order to highlight in a post, first enter your post or upload a video, whatever you want to do. After entering a post or making a post like this, I'll be just simply typing in, guys. You can highlight the post like this and just leave it as it is and type in your message after the highlight of text. So let's go, and so let's do this. And after you do this, guys, the highlight will be on blue after you post it, and this will be shown to everybody on your Facebook, your friends and the guys who follow you. And with that being done, guys, this is a one way to use highlight. And another way is, let's discard the post. Another way is you can go to anybody's post or your post in a group or by somebody, and just tap on the comment and use a highlight like this again, @highlight, and type in your message and send this message, guys. And after that, the message will be highlighted and sent to everybody on the post or group. With that being done, guys, this is how you use highlight, or how to highlight in Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.